alpha puppy up in this bitch. That's cool, man. So, I never thought I'd be like a comic and I could be like, where my dogs at? And it'd be completely relevant. It's cool, man. So, we got a nice little blend here. It's like a private school, you know, we got a lot of white people, a few Asians, black dudes here on scholarship. I'm here to win you guys a championship. Hey, how's it going? Is that for you or the donut? Alright, cool. I was like, that was delicious. You never know nowadays, it'd be crazy. So, my name is Francois, and I grew up in the suburbs. And growing up in the suburbs, I used to date mad white girls. Mad white girls. I mean, some happy ones too. But mad white girls. I had a lot of white homies. It was real cool, but like, anytime we had like specific conversations, like specifically about race, we would get into these really confusing fights just because I'll never understand NASCAR. I don't get it. It's fucking weird, yo. It's crazy. It's crazy, yo. It's weird. There's a bunch of white people driving around in a circle. I used to get so frustrated. I'm like, yo, why are these white people so good? Yo, used to get me so mad, like, because we're the better athletes, you know. But then I thought about it and I realized they're the only ones allowed to practice without getting pulled over. She laughing at practice makes perfect. I like that joke, it's funny. So lately I've been taking care of myself, trying to get in better shape. Anybody else taking care of themselves? Yeah. Now you're like, fuck it, we gonna die. Like, fuck it, we gonna die. We still get back, so we gonna be alright. Like, cause they're eating cheeseburgers with their vaccines and shit, it's crazy. Lately I've been trying to take care of myself, I'm trying to get in better shape. Like, I really try to get a six-pack. Thinking about six-pack's hard like cobblestone. Walking on cobblestone is uncomfortable. Nobody want to rest their head on that shit. You want to curl up with cobblestone. I'm trying to get me a body that's like soft, but firm. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Kind of like a Tempur-Pedic. You know what I'm saying? That we can put like a glass of wine on my thigh and we can fuck and it won't spill. So despite looking like a SoundCloud rapper, I am not. During the day I actually work in finance and I do stand-up. So I'm starting to think I'm Jewish. I love to save money too. It's a fit. My Jewish homies are real cool, but we have like cultural differences and shit. Like my homie was on vacation. I was like, yo, I was vacation. Looks at me, he goes, it was good. You know, hung out with the family. We had no power for Shabbos, and we fast and starve ourselves. I was like, oh shit. Y'all get off that? Black people do the same thing. We call it Tuesday. That's another day. Whatever, I thought that joke was hysterical. It was fine. Can't win them all. My Jewish homies, they cool, but like, they be asking me like accidentally racist questions. Yeah, she knows. She's like, I did that. Like my Jewish homie came up to me the other day and he was just like, I'm Steve. I don't mean to be rude or anything. Can you rap? Fuck I look like, bro. Of course I could rap. Come on, since I playing with me. So I looked at him, I was just like, black guy, honorary Jew. When Friday comes, I'm out early too. Shabbat shalom, just ask my crew. Getting discounts is how we do. Get me mad, I bust out the Hebrew. But let me check, I gotta ask legal. They said it's fine, last name Stein, Bergowitz, Jewish laws, other shits. I'm that guy, hanging with the rabbi. I read the Torah like the menorah. I'm that guy, hanging with the rabbi. I read the Torah like the menorah. Ya, 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 yamika. Ya, 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 yamika. Ya, 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 yamika. Juha, juha, Shabbat shalom. When the sun comes down, we all go home. Juha, juha, Shabbat shalom. When the sun comes down, we all go home. Thank you so much, I appreciate it. That's incredible. It's like the same reaction that the rabbis give me. So, I'm about to take the train when I get home. And I'm on the train, I typically be reading or listening to music. What do you guys like to do? Reading music? Read, yeah. Read, okay. We got some writers in here, okay? Got some writers. Like, but don't you hate it, like, when you be reading, right? And you be in the middle of a really good book, and you're really enjoying it, and then the person next to you turns the page before you're done? Come on, bitch, I thought we were sharing. It's crazy, I can't stand that shit. This is cool, we got a lot of parents in here, a lot of doggy parents. Give it up for yourselves, give it up for yourselves. Well, white people really confuse the fuck out of me, yo. Let me tell you something, that just be weird. It's like, on like Thursday, you'll send your mom in a home, and then on Tuesday, you'll get like 2 rescues and shit. You're like, nah, I ain't cleaning up your shit. I'm cleaning up their puke and shit. And y'all double down too, like, I can't get one, right? Then it'll be lonely. I'm like, bitch, you just got rid of your mom. That's cool, man. You're like, oh my God, I agree. That's insane. I agree. You guys are all coupled off, right? I feel like there's a lot of couples in here. No, single ladies make some noise. They were like, no, I just got my dog. It's just me and my dog. Don't let them know this pussy is up, okay? Do not couple me off, okay? It's crazy. I feel like it's like nowadays, especially like ladies like men and ladies. And I'm like, how you got double the choices, but you still all by yourself? That shit don't make no sense to me. But it kind of do make a little sense, because I feel like nowadays, like single ladies, they treat these like apps on their phones. You feel me? Like they got this one dude, when they get hungry, they just call him. Saved on the phone is Grubhub. You don't even eat with her. You don't even eat. You don't breathe, you don't eat. The food is at the door, that's it. Nah, you don't get no pussy, bro. And she got the one dude that she called up just to complain about the shit that's going on in her life. Nigga saved this Yelp. She's like, yeah, you know, my day was terrible, you know. Terrible. You ain't getting no pussy, so your day's worse. And then she got the other nigga that drive her around, whip her around all day, the Uber nigga. Drive around all day, Uber nigga get no pussy. And he's so polite too. He's like, I got a phone charger. So your phone stays charging, you can text the guy that's hitting it. I got some water, just in case you're thirsty. Because Lord knows I am. And then also I have some breath mints. So your breath smells good for the dick you're gonna suck. It's crazy, huh? But like of all the apps, the only app that's getting anything is Facebook. Facebook's taking pictures. Facebook's got a marketplace, like, share, comment. Facebook is it. Not only because of that, because of all the apps, Facebook is the only one you're allowed to poke on. Damn, I felt like I did a lot of work for that build-up, but it's fine. It's all right. You got some moments. You guys have been incredible. Give it up for your host.